get the A1000. I had to go out of my way to get this puppy. Let's take a ride. I want to show you, it's the leaves are changing. We had our first frost. Our first frost was last night, but they've been changing. We're going up into the Blue Ridge right now. I mean, we haven't even started ascending yet. This is just going into a little plateau. What's going on here? Ah, some dude turning. I want to show you the laundry house. Let me turn this down. Let's see if the goats are out. They got some mountain goats right there. Sometimes they're up on the... Ah, my ears are popping already. Alright. Over here's the laundry house. Got no one behind me. Let's see if you can see it. That's the laundry house. There's their neighbor. Now the laundry house has a story. No one's occupying it right now. It was occupied up until a few years ago. And it's legendary. There's always laundry hanging out there. And depending on when the moonshine is ready and what type of moonshine it is, there'll be different types of laundry hanging out, or different colors and different quilts, the quilt patterns. And that's how it was. You'll know what kind of moonshine is available and when it's ready and when a batch has been made, depending on the laundry hanging out. It's been that way for decades and decades at the laundry house. They finally passed away only a few years ago. No one's left in the family to carry on the tradition in Appalachia at the laundry house. Alright, I'm gonna hit pause. Alright. That's my property over there. That beautiful stream, spring-fed, coming off the mountain is on my property. I love it. It's mine over there. Farmhouse is mine. That tiny little house in front used to be a canning house. That's my barn. Isn't that awesome? Goes up the hill there. I have a tenant living here now, so I don't want to spook him by filming him. There's the driveway to, that's a lot over there. Then there's a... I'm going to show you a boulder in a minute. Not a rock, but a boulder. Look at that boulder. That's a homemade lawnmower, by the way. Look at that boulder right there. Oops. Hold on, I got a car in front of me. These are one-lane roads around here. I had to stop. Here's my shed. Can you believe I store audio equipment in that shed? Oh, let's get out. Show you the mountain. Isn't Appalachia pretty? I've been to the Rockies, but I prefer Appalachia. People out there go, ah, your mountains ain't nothing there. His mountains are small compared. It's not about size, it's about beauty. Something about Appalachia. I'd rather be in beautiful forest, diversity of wildlife and plant life and all that, rather than being in a stone field. Okay, put the camera down. Oh, that's a good speaker to compare it to. Okay, hold on. Hold on. The ADS. Let's use that one. Now for the A1000. Boy, if it's not here, I don't know where the heck it is. That's a turntable. Uh-oh. I'm not having any luck. I don't see the A1000. What am I going to do? All right. I'm going to hit pause and get back in the truck. I guess it's at home. Maybe I missed it. Or maybe it's in another room. Gosh. Dog it. Okay. All right, I gotta get something else out of this is a more or less a vacant lot with a shed on it. Look how pretty. Here's what I need out of here. want this thing. Nothing to do with audio. This is what I'm gonna be cooking my fried oysters on outside. I'm not gonna splatter that kind of grease in my kitchen. Then have to clean it up. Smell that smell. Strobe light. The sun. Look at that damage the pixels. Look at the rocks. Got the mosses. So pretty up here. Look at that rock. How'd you get there? Okay. These roads don't have speed limits. Many of the roads back here in this county are self-regulating. Donkeys are going to be on the right if they're out, and I'm not going to. I got cars coming up on my rear a little bit back there. I can't slow down too much, but they're right in this house right here, in that pen right there. I don't see them, and the llamas are on the left. That's the llama house right there. They're out. There's one. There's a bunch of them. That's only one of many. Different colors. There's a dark brown, light colors. Different variety, different colors, different sizes. There was a baby last year. Baby cow or bull. All right, it's been a long day. I drove many miles to find the A1000 just to not find it, just to come back home where it was the whole dadgummit time. Remember the modification I made to it? Look at them. Oh, look at that. I put a new power cable on it, binding posts. The A1000. I forgot how much I love this thing. Whoever suggested I get the A1000 out. I owe you one, bro. Stereo police. Ciao.